Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, have you ever imagined that the ghost or the cute ghost can emerge from the air humidifier? Yes guys, in this video I would like to share you to create this picture, and as you can see there are three cute ghosts like this that emerge from this air humidifier. Isn't that cute, right? How to create this picture? It is very easy. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I used before was the Nano banana, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to create this picture with the another AI platform, don't worry, because you can go with it, and here we will also share you the prompt to create this picture. And this is the look of the Google AI Studio, and don't forget to do the login first with your email. And after that you can continue to click this try Nano banana, and after that I will only put the prompt into this section, and you can simply give this prompt a screenshot, or you can also simply copy this prompt from the description box guys. And basically the prompt will be like this: a cute and dreamy Halloween theme scene showing a modern black air humidifier releasing the colorful glowing ghost shaped vapor into the air like this. And also the ghosts look friendly and whimsical with a pastel gradients of blue and pink, and also the purple mist. And the background has the soft misty glow with the purple and orange lighting, and creating a cozy and magical atmosphere. And the image is rendered in high quality 3D cinematic lighting and soft focus. So you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the output down here guys. Well guys, basically this is the same prompt that I used before to create this picture like this. This is my history, but I will be honest with you that you can actually have the another result or the another output with the same prompt. And as you can see, this is the different output but still in one theme. And if you love it, then you can continue to download it, and you can share this picture into your favorite social media. However, if you would like to know about the another result, don't worry, because you can rerun this prompt by clicking this rerun this turn, or in this section click rerun here. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. And also don't forget to give this video like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.